Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American Best Pics and Videos app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Come to apps is here, and there you're looking for American Best Pics and Videos. Just click on it here, or just click on search. Then here add American Best Pics and Videos. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.